Kakulangan sa supply ng tubig at problema sa kuryente ang ilan sa mga isyong naranasan ng ilang delegado sa isinagawang Barmaa 2026 sa bayan ng Parang, Maguindanao del Norte. Agad namang tinugunan ng kinaukulan ang report na naipost din sa social media. Ang News Now sa report.
Kinumpirma ng isang guro mula sa Basilan na may ilang kakulangan sa supply ng tubig at kuryente sa kanilang billeting area para sa Barmaa Meet 2026. Sa panayam kay School Division Superintendent ng Lamitan City, Basilan na si Dr. Tim Ondain Sanchez, ipinaliwanag naman ng opisyal ang naging sitwasyon.
So, we could not be accommodated in this school in Macale. So, half of our population supposedly would be housed at Miramar Elementary School, which is about a kilometer away from here. So supervision-wise, it's going to be taxing on my part to be monitoring, supervising two groups, which is not nearer here. So I decided to pull out from that school the half of our delegates and put them here in Macale.
Sa kakulangan ng tubig at pansamantalang pagkawala ng kuryente, nakaapekto ito sa kanilang paghahanda, partikular sa pagkain ng mga delegado.
Actually, there are truth in that. We experience shortage in water. Even our mess personnel who are assigned in the kitchen could hardly cook our food because there was no water. There was no water. And electricity also, nagkataon yesterday, it was, there was a long blackout. Even myself, I was perspiring. I was soaked in what is this, in sweats. But I just think positively, as if I am in sauna bath, that would make me even sexier, diba? Would make me thin. So, yun it was in good faith actually. The post of one of our staff here, she posted about what is going on. Actually, I did not reprimand our staff in posting that, but I just told her to remove the post because there are people actually who wanted to be kings and queens of the social media. So they would take advantage of the post. Although that post is not to harm anyone, not to destroy any personalities, but it was taken out of context by the people who wanted to put the MBHT in bad light.
Kaugnay nito, naglabas naman ng opisyal na pahayag ang Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education sa mga naranasang isyu sa nasabing delegado. Kinumpirma ng MBHTE na maayos at tuloy-tuloy ang Barmaa Meet 2026 at agad na tugunan ang mga paunang isyu sa accommodation at supply ng utilities tulad ng tubig at kuryente. Nananawagan din ang ahensya sa publiko at media na maging responsable sa pagbabahagi ng impormasyon upang maiwasan ang maling interpretasyon ng mga narisulbang issue. Marcus Uy, iMinds Philippines.